Talk to me a little bit about this whole notion of putting marketplace together, what you did there. How did they come about? What happened? What was the journey like?
Well, I was fortunate because I was coming off of a stint with Microsoft. So I had a very good understanding of how the market plays. And back in the day, you looked at it as the cost of goods sold in mid market and SMB. You looked for scaling plays, and distribution was always there. Because ultimately, how do you manage? You can't directly manage everybody. Even in partnerships, you got to have this long tail. So SYNNEX, we focused on the long tail. And then for me, I'm very simple and I talk about it a lot on my LinkedIn. It's like you can get lost in a lot of strategy or you can just focus on a few things well. So even in the early days of building the SYNNEX cloud marketplace, when everybody was telling us, oh, you got to get as many ISVs as possible, I was going, let's master Microsoft and let's do that well. And let's do it in the least amount of clicks so you have a great experience. And so we did a huge business. We started with E1. I still remember it being controversial. I go, let's grab as many seats and then we'll upsell them. And then we're going to add ISVs. And I looked specifically at attach rates. And so everything I've ever done in my career has been very simple. Like I look at the big picture, I go, where's the quickest win? And then from there you build and evolve. So that's what we did at SYNNEX. Today it's a great business as they merge with Tech Data, but it all started with this very simple idea. Execute just on Microsoft and then expand. Actually, it's how we got Google. Long ago, the reason we got Google at SYNNEX was because we had a great Microsoft practice.